Alright, moving on to our journal tab. You click the journal tab, we'll see that there are no items created yet. Why is that? Well, if we click into data and then click journal on our Google Sheet, we'll see that there are no rows inside this Google Sheet. But don't worry, we're going to change that soon. Go back to layout, click the journal tab, and then click calendar as a style. For data, let's make sure that the title brings in the note and when brings in the date. Under features, let's make sure show search bar is selected, and then under add, let's allow users to add items. So this screen is going to allow users to enter a journal entry. If we look at components, we have text entry, text entry, text entry. That's a lot of text entry. We don't actually want our users to just add text entries. So let's get rid of these components and then add our own. Using the plus icon here, let's find the choice component. The choice component allows a user to look up a specific list. And in this case, we want them to look up the emotions list. So if we update these drop downs to the emotions tab, this is going to bring in emotion as the label and the emotions list. Going back to our components, let's add a text entry component. This text entry component is going to be our note. And then finally, let's add a special value. So what this last component does is every single time a user creates a journal entry, they won't have to worry about the current date time. In Glide, you can use a special value to automatically populate the date. So let's test this out. Awesome. We've built the journal entry.